Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh highlights dairy sector challenges at Livestock Conclave in Shillong. Meghalaya Town Dorbar clarifies on decision to bar holding of public meetings in Meghalaya constituency. Congress gains momentum in Maukarwat ahead of MDC elections. And 500 Catholic pilgrims undertake journey from Maushbut to Sorankam. And now for the news in detail. Union Minister of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying Rajiv Ranjan Singh today highlighted the challenges faced by the dairy sector in the northeast, stating that the region has witnessed 27% growth in the past decade. It remains insufficient to reach the national average. Addressing a two-day livestock conclave on the theme Holistic Development of Livestock Sector in Northeast India at Hotel Marriott Police Bazaar, Shillong, he noted the involvement of over 1.5 million people in the dairy industry and called for enhanced development in dairy, poultry and piggery sectors. The event was also attended by Union Minister of State of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying George Kurian, State CNRD Minister A.T. Mondal, among others.
पूरे देश का नेशनल एवरेज है प्रति व्यक्ति प्रति वर्ष जो अंडा के कंजम्पशन का वो 103 नेशनल राष्ट्रीय औसत है, नेशनल एवरेज है, और नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो एवरेज है वो मात्र 36 अंडे प्रति वर्ष प्रति व्यक्ति का यहाँ उत्पादन है। हमको आज अंडे की खपत के लिए यहाँ की जो आवश्यकता है उसको पूरा करने के लिए दूसरे राज्यों से हमको आयात करके नॉर्थ ईस्ट में अंडा लाना है। अगर पोल्ट्री सेक्टर को हम बढ़ाएंगे तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट पूरे एग प्रोडक्शन के मामले में सेल्फ सफिशिएंट होगा, आत्मनिर्भर बनेगा, इसमें जरूरत है।
The Meghalaya Town Dorbar has decided to prohibit public meetings in the Meghalaya constituency except for a common platform following consultations with all 6 district council election candidates. Its chairman, Herr Lombok War, explained the decision was made to prevent disruption for students appearing for board exams. The decision, endorsed by all candidates, comes after concerns from residents, parents and teachers. The polls for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council will be held on February 21st, with vote counting on February 24th.
Nang nis kaman ken sedang ki examen di kena rupiah. Pada pedeng jang examen ke embos la ai notification untuk bulan November hab ken sedang ki exam untuk filtering. Te in between hapedeng jang kata kawan ki election ka filtering. Te kamut ketika pot ke bathem bah kata ka jeng canvas election kan thut kan duit ai kena nilai exam. Te kum kirang baslong nilai song nilai perkhan bak tahun berbahan bawa nilai rai dengan khot kandidat. But kilai poilot mening kesini hak mak jongki nilai keren nilai penuh jengmun bat dah kejengnya pun lang kejengnya menjur lang kejongki iwe hadin iwe kandidat yang berkeran penpau bagi hak kita.
Ahead of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council MDC elections, Congress received a boost as hundreds of leaders and party workers from TMC, NPP and UDP joined the party at a meeting in Maukarwat. The new members were welcomed by SWKH DCC President Kinpham V. Kharlingdo and MDC candidate Medal Singh Lingdo, who expressed confidence in retaining the Maukarwat seat with the added support.
Tangka Kongres Kepulauan Keputusan Syarikat Ekonomi Jangka Jingkerman Nam Teknikali Negeri Ikijoni Tingiru nilai penskambut nilai penisno untuk parti Kongres badna tu ketika MP election nilai treistom nam ta kumno bonorai ke jinjok kemudian buram nam tau MP jongi nilai ngatai berkhoi pilai i kalong na kumtu jadi ingis kam hagari ketik bomta lengba ke jingi treistom berkar lang mati kubang unung kren ubah khmat mene Untagiro lai tuli ki mo bursega. Tingi nges khamlo ba kajing treistom Video pun orang ia ketemu jom kucing job.
Around 500 Catholic pilgrims, including women and children, embarked on a journey from Maushbut to Soringham today, organized by Parish Madanrating. The pilgrimage was organized through the old road and a bridge that was constructed by the British. With the purpose of deepening their relationship with God, the pilgrims sang hymns from the Holy Bible reflecting on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. Jirang MLA Sostenes Sawton today handed over a 4x4 ambulance to Narbong Circle, benefiting over 15 villages in Bernihat area. The ambulance, funded under the SRWP scheme for 2024-2025 at rupees 12 lakhs, also received a rupees 1.50 lakh contribution from the MLA and his associates. The specially designed vehicle aims to improve healthcare access in areas with poor road connectivity.
Hakan gasngi nakaliang junga kubu MLA asuban perpawi kajing sokmen hadin ba ladep ban inaugurate mention snam ya kenika health and wellness center ngalayo ban ai ya ka assurance selene kajing kular akmat kinong ilam baro ba ya ka ambulans nagabenta kipajba kibadon hakini kitany kibaya kudu sibun kijing namar ba kim nimpatyo yang surok ba paka ting lai persang banwara ada kini ka ambulans ke ba dai ka four wheel aga ba on pensuk nagabenta kinongpang ban late ban shaw na ban kit shaki jaka sumar.
The Kasi Students' Union North Mai Circle presented the Susutham Academic Award 2023-2024 yesterday, honouring 25 athletes and 48 students for outstanding achievements in SSLC, HSSLC, bachelor's and master's degrees. Chief Guest Samuel Jirwa, Chairman of the North East Students Organisation, praised KSU's dedication to recognising excellence and encouraged students to stay focused and committed to their goals.
Competition kalau Steve hadu kata-kata tek-tek tak 10% tu kelai pair iban yo balik pulih bagi bom yo balik pulih tak 10% tu kalau orang kerja pair bobot hakan ni ke pertai hakan ni ke pon bentang haban dia turun do yang paling kenang dengan poin tak tahu kairaman klan yang long yang jompi ada yang kedua juga dia hang ini pon kelala balik pasyak tang jinge marulai banadu pon tang samla ladal lupa tak kacing terish tok jompi.
Due to today's hectic lifestyles, bakeries are taking the place of preparing homemade baked goods for everyday meals and special occasions. However, the question now is, how safe and healthy are bakery items to your health? Is it time we consider the do's and don'ts of selecting the right bakery items, particularly for individuals managing health issues? So let's find out in our news series called Berkhat Arsen, or Think Twice, which highlights issues that surrounds people from health and education to social issues and many more. Let's listen in.
Di uwe ujing bam ubalong ubadon kamba mo man la kibriu man la kayeng kidan ba ya uruti tangba apat na uruti pat kidi kipon tikini cakes tikini kistei kibaleng ong ipi kisniu namar kidi kijing bam kibangi ong daga aktinong way kita ki high calorie food naga calorie kimdon pat ya kita kijing bam kiban ayo ki nutrients mo kum kamet ke jongi kidon kami ke vitamin kidon kami ke mineral kidon kami ke fiber kidon kami ke proteins ban yo bor bakan trekam den den rei kini ngi shamba kim yo kenya kita.
Well, you can also watch the full report on our YouTube channel at DD News Meghalaya. So moving on to Meghalaya Games update. East Khasi Hills is leading in the 6th Meghalaya Games with 104 medals, including 41 gold, 29 silver and 34 bronze. Notable performances include Darren Thainam Khonglam's gymnastic golds in floor exercise and vaulting table, and Wandalang Magdalene Malnyang's title as best gymnast. In table tennis, Devatang of West Jainta Hills and Rituraj Shabong of East Khasi Hills earned top honours. In men's doubles, East Khasi Hills Sanjeev Chetri and Wankar Walang Nongrum won gold in thrilling super tie break.
Sedang wan besar yang khas kuda ini dan lekam coaching camp saya dia kena untuk mana dia ujian kena tercas selek atau hikai ngam tu kata lah kadar senang pada tu betul. Siapa mana ya represent yang ke West Jainta Hills to ilat ko yang au punya sabi bayi yang
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 14 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, relative humidity is 83%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 18.3 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 71%. Meanwhile, in Jawai, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 21 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 84%. And forecast in Tura, Jawai and Shillong says dry weather is likely to occur at most places and shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for the headlines once again. Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh highlights dairy sector challenges at Livestock Conclave in Shillong. Meghalaya Town Dorbar clarifies on decision to bar holding of public meetings in Meghalaya constituency. Congress gains momentum in Maukrwat ahead of MDC elections. And 500 Catholic pilgrims undertake journey from Maushibut to Sorankam. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.